Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the layouts on the WhatsApp. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on the WhatsApp, we have to go to the update section. So let's click on this update section. And now simply we have to click on the add status again. And now we have to choose that what you want to put on the status, music, layouts, voiceover, whatever you want. I'm going to click on the layout here, and now we have to choose that what you want to put. For example, I'm going to select these options. If you want to select more, you can also do that, but I'm going to click on the next here. So as you can see, now these all are adjusted here, so you can adjust whatever you want. If you want to change the layout, you can also do that. These all types of layouts are provided here. So in this way you can add the layouts on the WhatsApp, and once you are done, you have to click on the done and it will be on your status. So in this way you can add the layouts on the status on your WhatsApp, and I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.